All right, guys, we're going to come back for the last Uno of this week, going through questions 11 through 15. It's still the same standard, so you would go to the figure or the table and highlight the variable in the question or variables in the question, and then you're going to do the math that it asks. So that could be combine, subtract, list, etc. All right, number 1. Based on table 1, the crust class with the highest content of sand also had clay, crust, youngest age, lowest moisture. So we actually have to look at the answer choices first for this one. But we're going to go to table 1. Now, with the highest sand content, that's C0. Okay, now what does it have? It has youngest age, no crust development, and no silt or clay. So youngest age, no crust development, no silt or clay. These are the things it has. Highest clay content, no, yes, the youngest age. So the answer to 11 is C, if you just take those notes. Number 12, according to the information in table 1, compared to the percent silt content of C1, the percent silt content in C2 was. So silt in C1 is 20, or no, is 13. Silt in C2 is 20, so that's plus 7%. Let's find our answer. 7% higher in C2. So remember, you order correctly for this. All right, which of the following ranks the crust classes in order of decreasing silt content? So you're going to go from highest to lowest for silt. That would be C3, C2, C1, C0. That makes it pretty simple for us. So we start with C3, C2, C1, C0, and then this is your distractor, is D. All right, 14. What was the total non-sand, silt plus clay? Excuse me. What was the total non-sand, silt plus clay content of the moderately developed biological crust? So, moderate, we find that. Moderate crust development, that's our key term. Now, silt plus clay, 20 plus 14. 20 plus 14 equals 34. The answer to 14 is C. All right, and 15. The age between a C1 crust and a C2 crust was the age difference. So I'm looking at age, C1 and C2. 5 and 1. And then when it asks for difference, what's the math here? 5 minus 1 equals 4. The answer is B, 4 years. And that's all she wrote.